Have you ever wondered why you get hiccups at the worst possible moment? Like right before a big speech. Here's the simple science and how to stop them fast. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, that muscle under your lungs, suddenly spasms. This makes you suck in air quickly, and your vocal cords snap shut, making that hic sound. Common causes: eating too fast, carbonated drinks, stress, or even sudden temperature changes. To stop hiccups, try holding your breath for 10 seconds. This calms your diaphragm. Or sip ice cold water slowly. Some people swear by gently pulling your knees to your chest. Next time hiccups strike, you'll know exactly what to do. Hit subscribe for more daily tips from the Happy Doctor. See you in the next one.